Look, we're gonna use it.
Oh, nice. It's like, oh, this is better than being manhandled.
Yeah. I'm trying to keep track. He's stepping in again. Isaac, in one job. Oh, are we using a body? Trying to keep track of who does what. We need to make sure they all eat. We need to make sure they all use the bathroom. He's gonna step in it.
Well, this
White bees are good for it.
This one is trying to eat all of it.
I mean, they'll eat till they're full. Hi, Mr. Gray.
But then the other ones will get a chance to eat.
We have more.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Gray. Are you waiting your turn for the potty? Yeah, just have a wipey out. Every time they step in it, you can just wipe their paws. Did you use the potty? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you did so goody.
Don't you see? We didn't think it was great before. I think I understand now. I think I know why Frank's show gets such great ratings. Half the school is high on cough medicine. She's sweet, right? This is our chick.
Come on.
Get your hair looking as fantastic as possible. It's time for us to do the most incredible investigative news report of our journalistic life.
I know you don't think you're stuck in there. Ooh, food, Mr. Gray. Good jobby, you got out. Look, there's foodie.
No.
Oh,
Oh, he's already jumping off couches and shit.
look at him. He's like, I gotta use the potty. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Look at him. He's gonna get in there. It's a little tall.
Oh yeah, this looks like a place I can lay my ducks.
Ew. He's gonna use it. Open this, please. Mr. Gray, don't be shy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Can you explain how your administration claims to see this? Why we? So where are our students getting all this cough medicine? This surveillance footage shows a group of troubled kids getting all this.
We forgot to weigh him.
Oh.
Mr. Gray had a really hard time transitioning to this food today. He wanted the bottle, but nope. You gotta learn.